Hello, everyone. This is Sheena Simmons reporting live here from Cedar Park, Texas. And there's my cat in the background. Basically, I'm glad that you guys got to tune in and listen to what I had to say today. So, just want to go over some news that we got going on. Beyonce is pregnant. Everybody is so excited about Beyonce being pregnant. And if I got pregnant, no one would give a shit at all, but that's probably because I'm not Beyonce. I got the blonde hair, and that's just about it. I'm not married to Jay-Z, so nobody really gives a damn. But so I'm just kind of curious to know, like, what is the baby gonna look like? What's the mannerisms gonna be? Mannerism. Did I say that right? Mannerisms. Anyway, what is this child going to be like? Is this child going to be a rapper, a singer, male or female? Maybe there's one, maybe there's two. So all we can do is just sit around and watch and see what happens. Also, in most current news, entertainment news, we got Lady Gaga looking like a dude. What in absolute hell is that? But you know what? It actually works for her. Anybody that can jump out of an egg, wear meat for a dress, and dress like a dude and still make more money than half of Cedar Park put together, that's a bad broad. So, you know what? I'm not hating, I'm congratulating. But if you were to get the meat outfit and the egg she jumped out of and put it together, that'd make a pretty good omelet. But anyway, that's me always thinking with my stomach. Next, I also saw that we have Kelly Rowland or whichever. The one with Destiny's Child that nobody really gave a shit about. And the only reason why she's current now is because she's Beyonce's cousin. But anyway, so they say that she accidentally exposed a titty. But you got to do something. You know what I mean? You're part of Destiny's Child, and Beyonce kind of took over that, and everybody cares about her. So you got to do something to make yourself relevant. So a little bit of titty hanging out ain't no wrong with it. Hell, I like to keep mine hanging out too. See, make them jump. Doop, 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 doop. Anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to stop in with you guys and just kind of check in and let you know what I found out, because readers are leaders and you got to keep it going, right? So congratulations to Beyonce and Jay-Z. Hopefully they won't get his big nasty lips. And, ooh, shit, I should probably not say that. Anyway, hopefully it'll be a lovely, lovely child. And that's Sheena signing off from Cedar Park.